On Thursday, Fastly stock crashes 20% as guidance falls below Wall Street estimates. As you can see on the daily chart, this is Wednesday into Thursday session. You have a massive gap and go. And then Thursday into Friday session, you have another gap. However, this is an indecision candle, which means that potentially price is on the verge of pausing. Now let's zoom out to the monthly chart, and we can see how we had this roundabout accumulation phase taking place around that $10 level. However, I do have markers as targets, one at roughly $24, another one at $28, and another one at $30. Now before we continue with the analysis, let's actually look at the results. Again, Fastly shares crash around 20% after the company issued disappointing earnings guidance for the fiscal Q1 2024. For fiscal Q4 2023, the cloud computing services provider posted earnings per share of 1 cent, while analysts expected loss per share of 3 cents. Revenue came in at 138 million in the quarter, missing the consensus production of 139.45 million. Now, this is where things get a little dicey. Looking ahead, Fastly expects non-GAAP income loss per share of 9 cents to a loss of 5 cents, marking a more pessimistic compared to analyst projections of 3 cents loss per share. Here's what the CEO had to say about the quarter. This quarter demonstrated the progress we have made in operational and financial rigor, resulting in strong gross margins and non-GAAP net income. Their go-to-market, packaging, and channel efforts through 2023 delivered an inflection in their customers acquisition as they close out the year. He says that this puts the company in the position to succeed in 2024, driving their mission to make every user experience fast, safe, and engaging. All right, so let's look at these markets, these levels that I had marked off. We're going to go to the weekly chart, and you can see how that $24 was resistance in the past, support in 2022, and then September of 2023 resistance again. So this was a nice area to either take some off the table or to short the stock. And this was a nice double bottom, or double top rather, opportunity setup. Price broke the uptrend line and then created this double top again at that $24 level. So the question is, we saw on the daily chart Friday's candle formation was a doji, meaning indecision, meaning we don't know where price is going to go next to start the week off. Now you do have a rally-based rally here. This was the start of the origin of the move higher that took out the pivot high to the left. Where price stopped, you also have a pivot to the left, which coincides to a pivot in March of 2022. So potentially, again, I don't love the price action that created this zone. Volume was low. However, we are going to mark it as weekly buyers. At $12.50. Not an 8 setup, but let's see if price can rebound from here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.